So here's the new Wall Street Wiretapper. This is the dashboard of our unusual options activity tool. So let me walk you through exactly how this works. So guys, hey, my name is Jonathan Rose. I'm the owner of Masters in Trading. Please smash that like button. We're going to go through, this is the updated version of the Wall Street Wiretapper. This is an unusual option activity scanner that's being monitored by a neural network. In the past, before the dashboard was finished, we had a database. And this is how we've been using this tool for the last 6 months. It's been very effective, but it's been very time consuming to search. Now, we have that information all organized in a neat dashboard. So let me walk you through exactly how it works. 30 days. You can look 5 days. You can look 60 days. I'm going to look 30 days. Stocks, 5 to 25, 25 to 50, a couple of different variations. Search. Here it'll show us your top 10 stocks between 5 and 25 over the past 30 days. This is our core scan, 5 to 100. And then down here, top overall. We break out 5 to 100 because for me, I think it's very difficult to trade options on stock that's priced under $5. And here, we just wanted to give the entire subset. And again, you can quickly just scan through 50 to 75, 75 to 100. Now, most scanners are just going to give you everything because you have to look for what you want to trade. But the way the Wiretapper is built is Pablo and I have our custom scans that are running in the background, and we are looking for names that have inexpensive volatility relative to how much they're moving. And so our scans are allowing us to find those names that we think will outperform their volatility. So because it's not just a scanner where you can look for anything, we want the names that we're looking to trade to bubble up to the surface. So we break it up because I'm not looking to trade options of stocks that are above $100. It's just very expensive. It just eats up a ton of capital. No thanks. When we were originally running these scans, I loved how it was performing, but we were seeing so many of these high-priced stocks. Like, let's just get rid of them. We don't want to trade them. And for you guys out there that do want to trade these, they're out there. They're here for you. You can find some gems between 50, 75, and then especially for smaller accounts, especially if we're just looking to buy options. When you buy options, you can only lose what you risk. So a trade that I shared with the members, we sent this out Sunday night. Every Sunday we send out trades. Every Monday we have a live class. Was ERJ, buying the 10 strike calls for 90 cents. Now, if you buy those, you buy 10 of them, it's $900 of risk. You can never lose more. Now, I found ERJ using the Wiretapper, and then we also have a tool that is just based upon historical volatility and math. ERJ rallying off its 21-day historical volatility, 3 standard deviations, 4 standard deviations, but this stock doesn't care whatsoever. So, as it found stability up here, I said, you know what? I just want to play the call side, playing for a big breakout. So therefore, look to buy those calls 90 cents. And then I did the trade as well. ERJ, 10 strike calls, $1.05 bid at $1.15. A position, long 30, trade price 95, mark $1.10, up $450. This was just done today, but let me show you how I found this trade because we found this using the Wall Street Wiretapper. So since we just released this dashboard over the weekend, I wanted to show what this tool really could do. So I went short term, 10 days. Here are the names. Went through each one. One of them that I recommended, ERJ. ERJ is one of the top 10 stocks out of all the stocks that are available to trade options that are priced between $5 to $25 that have seen unusual options activity which we then determine to have a high likelihood of volatility going forward to outperform the implied priced in right now. That we think the volatility priced in right now is too cheap, it's inexpensive. So for me, ERJ, I bet the call side because of this, because of the strength here, because of every time we have a sell sign, comes off, I guess, but then just fights through. So you know what? I don't want to play the short side. I'm going to find another name to play from the short side to get short delta someplace else, but I'm going to look to buy calls in ERJ. The other reason I like this trade is just because it's a good risk reward. $900. I know that there's activity. These are bubbling to the surface. It's not random why they're popping up here. This tool is making finding unusual option activity trades really simple. Tomorrow, we're going to do a live class for all members of the Wall Street Wiretapper. If anybody wants to try it, it's $47 the first month. You'll get some trade ideas. You'll get a live class every single Monday as well. I'll leave some information in the video description below. Thanks, guys. Jonathan Rose, owner, Masters in Trading.